Thank you for joining the August Adult Crafternoon. This project and program were made possible by the Pagani Novotny Memorial. This month the program was put together by Circulation Aide Casey, and you'll be making no-sew rope baskets. Supplies needed for the no-sew rope basket include a 3/8-inch thick cotton piping cord, anywhere from 10 to 15 yards, parchment paper, leather for embellishments, a hot glue gun, hot glue sticks, a metal or glass vessel such as a bowl, pail, or bin to use for shaping your basket, scissors, and latex gloves are optional to protect your hands from the hot glue. First, cover your metal pail with a sheet of parchment paper to provide a layer of protection and to form a barrier against the glue. I used a pail with a 6-inch diameter and I ended up with 2 or 3 yards of rope remaining. The size of your pail will determine how much rope you are going to end up needing. Begin by forming a tight coil of rope to serve as a base of the basket. Working in small sections, use the hot glue gun to glue the rope together as you coil it. Again, I did use latex gloves as a layer of protection from the hot glue to prevent any burns. When the base is the desired size, which should be slightly bigger than the base of your pail, place the pail on top of it and begin to coil the rope vertically, using the shape of the pail to help you structure your basket. When the basket reaches the desired height, cut the rope and use the hot glue gun to firmly adhere the end of the rope to the basket. I also added some hot glue to the end of the rope where I had made the cut to prevent it from unraveling. Then remove the pail from inside the basket. To add handles, cut a strip of leather to size and attach to the basket with hot glue. Hold each side of the handle for about a minute to make sure the handles adhere to the basket. Thank you for joining the Belgrade Community Library Adult Crafternoon for the month of August.